Hi and welcome to this section where we'll talk about the advantages of you enlisting with a bookkeeper and or an accountant to help manage the finances of your business. So let's have a look at the differences between the two. So bookkeepers have to resolve any kind of discrepancy, let's say, occurring within a company's accounts. And they also prove to enhance financial communication between any staff and yourself. So any team or any staff that you have within your team, should I say, and yourself. Now, whilst it's not essential to have a bookkeeper when you start your e-commerce business, it is advisable to ensure that you have an e-commerce or an Amazon specialist accountant. You know, every business, big or small, need to hire an accountant to protect their financial integrity and the integrity of the company too. In addition, an accountant will be able to handle all aspects of any tax preparation or any aspects such as payroll deductions, for example, any financial reports that need doing, and any necessary deductions too. So have a think about kind of whether or not, if you're starting out or you're on your adventure already, you're in the journey of your arbitrage, your online business. Do you need an accountant? Can you use the purchases and sales tracker sheet that obviously you get within this course to help you keep the books and keep on top and track those purchases and sales? And do you need an accountant? The majority of the time, it's important to outsource the really mundane tasks, but also the important tasks out to the experts. And that's definitely something that we've done in our business. I've done in mine, and a lot of people that we work with are starting to do that too, who didn't start the right way. So definitely getting yourself an Amazon specialist, an online e-commerce specialist accountant right from day one is key within your business. Now, Amazon accounting, like I said, you can do it yourself, as we've discussed, accounting, the bookkeeping side of things. Now, it can be a time-consuming process, especially if you aren't using an efficient and or an effective method for you. And like I said to you, it can prove costly too if you don't do it right the first time round. Now, you may be at a point where you're now buying and selling more than you can keep track of. And right at the start of your journey, also you might just want to adopt the right process, the right format to follow. And equally, when you start to take on additional staff or VAs, it's really important to make sure that you've got a sound and efficient process that you're following that you can then train others into. Anyone else that you employ later down the line can follow exactly the same process. Now, there are lots of accountants and bookkeepers out there, but you need to use the right one. And I say this time and time again to everyone that we work with. It's so important that you find the right people that are experts, obviously, in their field, but they absolutely 100% know how e-commerce works. They know about online selling businesses, especially resellers, and they specialize in the platform that you're using. And in this example, it could be Amazon, for example, eBay, Etsy, all different online platforms. Shopify is another one. They need to make sure that they understand the platform that you're using. Now, we've been there, we've done it ourselves, and we've outsourced it to an absolutely fantastic accountancy firm. And they are Amazon experts, they're specialists. They also deal with eBay resellers and people who sell on Shopify. They're very reliable, they're great with their communication, and they're extremely competitive on price. Now, as I said, they're e-com accountant specialists that cover a multitude of different platforms that you may look to adopt in due course, not just selling on Amazon. Now, they have many e-commerce clients who are selling on Amazon, eBay and Shopify. And like I said, they've got a wealth of knowledge in all things e-commerce and about all of these platforms too. So whether you are a sole trader, maybe you're a limited company and or you're VAT registered and wishing to outsource your business accounts and bookkeeping, then I would thoroughly recommend that you get in touch with our recommended accountants. Now, they also do the bookkeeping too, which is fantastic. Now, using the link on your screen, bit.ly/passive OSC. Now they have plans available that start from as little as £39 per month, and as I said, they can also complete the books for you on a monthly basis, which is a massive time saver. They use their online software, so there's no need for you to spend an additional monthly fee on any further software packages or apps. So Xero, for example, which we touched on earlier, or Receipt Bank are additional accountancy software packages and apps that you can use for invoicing and sales purchases to upload those receipts to that portal, those invoices to the portal. So there's no need for you to pay an additional fee or additional subscription for each of those, because our accountants are specialist, Amazon specialist accountants, do all of that for you, and you can use their online cloud base to upload all your receipts and invoices and their online bookkeeping software free of charge, obviously within the package that you pay for. Now, as I said, you can get in touch with them at the link on your screen, which is bit.ly/passive OSC, all lowercase. Now, when you type in that link within your web browser, you'll be able to fill out a pre-questionnaire form, and once you've completed that and you click the submit button, that will then send it straight to the accountancy team, and on a working day or when they're next available, they will respond to you to discuss the best package that's suitable for you, your business, if you are indeed a limited company or if you're a sole trader. Look at your needs and discuss the pricing options and the tariffs available to match you. Now, we hope you found this section useful. It's obviously full of great tips. It's really important to make sure that you're adopting the right process for your business when it comes to bookkeeping and accountants, and obviously making sure that you're using a specialist accountant.